my name is Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Grab your pinkity drink because this is about to be a long video. Hi! So this week's fun fact about me is that I'm really into skincare, also not just makeup. And I've shared like little videos with you before, but I'm actually gonna update you guys on my skincare journey. So I have early stages of rosacea and I actually had a flare up. I get them like once a week. It's horrible. And I get little itchy red bumps around my nose and my mouth, and it's just awful. And when I have those flare-ups, my face gets really red and itchy, and then I have to just put like aloe and stuff on it to cool it down, because it almost feels like my face has like a fever. I mean, it's so irritating, and I've never found, there's no cure for it really. And then I have hormonal acne on top of it. So my dermatologist, as of next Thursday, I'm gonna start on Accutane, and I'm pretty excited because that's very known to work for people. It's like 1 in 1,000 that it doesn't work. So if any of you guys have ever been on Accutane and it worked for you, let me know. If it didn't work for you, I'd love to know. But right now my face is kind of flared up, so I thought I would just show you guys an eye look, like 2 different eye looks that you guys could do with the same palette. And that's going to be this week's video, so I hope everyone enjoys. So I prime my eyes off of camera with the Urban Decay All Nighter eye primer, and I got the original. It's the Potion, the regular, but I'm going to go in with my Carli Bybel palette. It is actually on sale right now at Sephora for like $22 instead of like $44, and I would get it because it's actually a limited edition. So I'm just going to like set it down right here. But I'm going to show you guys 2 different eye looks that are kind of like versatile. One of them could be if you're going out, and the other one can be an everyday natural kind of look. So that's what I'm going to do. If you guys see me looking over, that's why. So I'm going to go in with the first color. If you have the palette, follow me. Like, follow along with me if you want to try this look while I'm doing it, because I always think that's fun to follow tutorials, like while they're doing it, I do it at the same time. I'm gonna go in with Cindy first. Ooh, so there's a lot of fallout. That's my first impression. But other than that, it's not like that bad. So I'm gonna start with that in the crease, and I'm using the brush that it came with, just the fluffy side of the brush. And I'm just blending that into the crease. And that's literally all I'm doing. You just want to go back and forth so it doesn't look like you just smacked it on your face. And that is a lot brighter than I expected it to be, but it's blendable. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with Chat in the corner. And it's like a brown, well, it looks brown in the pan, but we will see what it shows up like on my eyes. So I'm just gonna put this in the outer crease, and I'll turn my head in just a minute to show you guys. And I'm gonna blend that in with the with Cindy that I just put in my crease, but the outer, because I love when an eye goes from like light to dark in the outer corner. Oh, also, another thing to tell you guys, there's so many deals going on right now for makeup. On the Urban Decay website, the Naked Cherry palette is half price. It's like $24. If you guys don't have that and want to pick that up, see how I blended the brown out in the outer corner? I love that palette. So it's on back order though right now. So if you want to pick that up, then you can. I think it's so pretty. And then I'm gonna find a flat brush and be right back. I found a flat brush that took like 20 minutes. M408 is what I'm gonna use, Morphe. And I'm gonna go in with, ooh, this color Libra looks really, really pretty. I'm a Pisces, but whatever. Anyways, and then there's other deals. I got the Stila glitters, the liquid glitters. Some of them right now are on sale for $5 a piece on Stila.com. I got 5 because they're normally $24, so I got 5 for the price of 1. Heck yeah. And they're doing free shipping too, which is awesome. So I would definitely go check that out if you love glitter as much as I do. Like an intense look, you know. So this is what I did for this eye. I put that glitter right there, and I did kind of a half crease to where the glitter meets the brown on the edge, and then it fades right into that. So that's one eye that I did, and then I'm gonna do more of a smoky eye on the other eye. So on my other eye, I decided that I'm gonna do like a kind of smoked out mauve-y look. So I'm gonna go in with Stev, and I'm gonna start in the outer corner. Hopefully this color is what I want it to be. I'm hoping it's gonna be like a dark mauve. Oh yeah, perfect. This is the color I was hoping it to turn out to be. And so, see, that's really awesome. And even though these are really, really powdery, the color payoff's great. You just don't pat too hard is my suggestion, because you will have it all over your face and whatever you're have the palette sitting on. So I would definitely be careful with that. Okay, so I built that into the crease the opposite way, and now I'm gonna go in with Boie, B-O-I-E, and I'm gonna go in with the other side of the brush. This is like a dark brown, so I'm hoping it's not too dark. And I'm gonna start at the outer corner again, but this time I'm gonna do a halo eye, and I'll show you exactly what I mean in just 1 second. So I'm gonna start at the outer edge and pack. You wanna pat like this if you're doing a halo eye. So you're just gonna pat like this, and you're not gonna spread it up like I did the other eye into that pink. You're just gonna keep packing on that color. Since there's no footage, I thought I would record this. So what you want to do is you want to pack the dark brown on the inner corner like shown in the picture, and then you want to put the gold right in the middle, or whatever color you're using.
Do too hard, you'll bruise your eye.
Huh? I was filming a makeup video.